What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna show y'all a quick Valentine's Day decor haul from Dollar Tree, and I'm also gonna show y'all how I decorate my mini tree. And go check the stove. Go check. Go check the stove. Go check. No, stop. Hurry up, check my food. I got nervous. I forgot it was even on just that quick. But I'm about to show y'all what I picked up from Dollar Tree and Alton. Cut it off. I'm gonna also show y'all what I've been had. Like, I got a box full of Valentine's Day decorations from years ago. I'm not gonna show y'all everything because that's a lot, but I'm gonna show y'all some things real quick, some new things I got. So, what you call these things? Gnomes, right? Yeah. So, I got this little cute gnome from Dollar Tree, and it's black, and I have another one. It's red and pink. It's so cute. They're so cute, y'all. Oh, my daughter decided to name them Irma and Catherine. And I got these gnome ornaments that's gonna go on the tree. So I have a miniature tree and then I have a small tree. So I'm gonna decorate both of them. And these are gonna go on the small tree. And I'm gonna make the nose, they're like Caucasian nose. But I'm gonna make them brown. Why I have to say that? And then I got some, what you call these? To go on the tree. Oh, garland. I'm gonna put garland on the tree, and this is for the small tree, and then I have garland for the mini tree. And this is gonna be pink. And what else? That's fun. And I love these. I had these for Christmas, like some, what you call them, like, it says table scatter, but I don't know, I just think they're really cute. It's like fake diamonds, and some of them, like, are lips in there, and hearts, and diamonds in there. So that's real cute, I like it. And I got these two. I didn't show you these two. So I got these two to go on the tree. I think I'll probably put both of these on the big tree. They're gonna hug the big tree. So instead of having like a star at the top, I'm gonna have both of these at the top hugging it. So that's gonna be cute. And more of the table scatter. And I bought this mini Christmas tree. It's pink. Here you go. I already spread it out, and it's so cute, y'all. So I'm gonna decorate this one. This is my mini tree, and then my small tree over there. So yeah, I got some good stuff from Dollar Tree this year. And then I got this sign. What does it say? Love is the key to happiness. And they got like the little lock right here open. That's cute. I thought that was cute. Yeah, that's all I got this year. Oh, I got some, let me see those. I got some fake roses as well. Just one. That's fine. So this vase, I already had this vase. And I got another red vase over there that's a little fatter than this one. But I got these right here from, oh yeah, my daughter gonna show y'all. These are two vases. And I got these right here from Dollar Tree, but I already had some of the roses. So yeah. And I also got some stuff for my wife and my daughter, but I can't show y'all that because I'm not gonna show them. But this is some older stuff that I got. That's everything I got. So this is some older stuff that I got years ago. Dang. Okay. So this is wall decoration. That's cute. I really like that. And I have like 2 of those. And this broke, but I'm gonna fix it. So I have the heart with the arrow. And this all the stuff I've been had for years. And this one, to the moon and back. This cute. I got a lot of little stuff. Oh, I got more roses too. A lot more roses. So I'm probably gonna fill up the vases, unless I can find another vase, like a clear one. You think? Yeah, that's a good idea. So my daughter was like, I can put these on the tree. That's a good idea. So I might do that. And this is more wall decor. And all of it goes together. All of it blends together perfectly. And I got 2 of those. I got more garland. See, that's the same garland. So, Dollar Tree, they sell some of the same stuff every year, but some stuff be new. And then I already had balloons, and so I got balloons as well, but this is gonna be for something different. Then we got these. More wall art. Then we got this. This is actually a chalkboard. So I'm gonna clean it up. Ooh, I'm gonna clean it up and then write something on it. What's this? Oh, this is like paper mache, but I thought it was so cute. And I have a lot of pink and red rose petals. They're fake. I'm trying to show y'all. Like, they're rose petals and they're pink, but they're fake. And again, this goes with the balloon, and that's for like a photo shoot. I'm gonna do behind the scenes photo shoot. We're gonna do Valentine's Day photo shoots right here at the house, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. More rose petals, pink and red. And then we got the red sequins, like, what you call this? Like covers. Maybe like for the table or for the pictures that I'm gonna do. So I'll figure out what I'm gonna do, because I got a lot of these. And I have some small lights, and they actually still work. Let me see. Oh, they did work. Oh man, I left it on, I think. Oh, there you go. It's like little small lights. They so yellow. And then these are more rose petals, but also I have the pink and red hearts, and they're like the table scatter. Like I told y'all, I love these things. And we got some red bows. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I got them. Huh? You think they can go on the tree? We'll see what they look like. All right, y'all. So That's all the decorations that I have so far. Oh yeah, I forgot I got lights. So I have red and white lights. I'm gonna put on a small tree. I might not use all of them. I gotta see which ones I want to use, the white or the red. What you think? Probably. Well, that's the mini tree. That's the small tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the small tree. The red, the white.
Because the reds, you already kind of have red ornaments on here.
Okay.
So it will bring out the ornaments more if you use the white.
All right, y'all. So that was my mini haul for my Valentine's Day decorations, and y'all stay tuned for the mini tree and the small tree. I'm not gonna record us decorating it, but I am gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like and what my house looks like with all the decorations up. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm about to show y'all the ending of me decorating. Well, me and my daughter decorating the front area of the house downstairs. So this is the front door. So that's what that looks like. And then we're going to come around to the living area. So here, I got those covered up. And then I have that locket there. Let me step back. So then we're going to come around here. We got the red pillows and the khaki pillows. I want to get some Valentine's Day pillows. So I'm going to check and see if I can find some. But we got the sign right there to the moon and back. And then we have some hearts up there. And then we're going to come around here to the table. And this is the mini Christmas tree, all pink. The tree itself is actually pink. And then we have the pink bear on there. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So that's what that looks like. And then we have the pink and red scatter hearts. We have this kind. And then we have this kind. So yeah, that's the table. That's what it looks like. And then we're gonna come around in front of the TV. We have the vases with the red roses and then the hearts just in there. And then we have more scattered table crystals. So we have the hearts, the big diamonds, the smaller diamonds, and then we have the lips. So that's what that looks like. Let me back up. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then we're gonna come around here. This is the Valentine's Day tree. Let me step back for y'all to see it. So we got the little gnomes at the bottom. And then this is the Valentine's Day tree. This is our table. And then I'm going to get a little close on the tree. So it says, Happy Love Day, babies. And then we have another bear holding a sign. And then this is the decorations on the tree. And this is a gnome that I purchased from Dollar Tree. But I added the black. And I changed the color of the nose. And same with this one at the bottom. It says love, black love. And I changed the nose. So get a little closer of the gnomes. So that's what that looks like. Let me back up. So that's the small tree. And then this is decor that I always have because this area, I don't know what's wrong with that, but this area is black and red anyway. So this is some more decor. Valentine's forever. And then we have the little lights, a little garland, And then that, and then those are our family pictures. So yeah, that is all the, oh, I forgot that's on the wall. So we got the 2 hearts that say love, and then we got the, what you call that, paper mache hearts. So yeah, that's all I have. So the only thing I need to get is some more lights for the bottom of the Christmas tree, some red lights, and then I want to try to get some pillows for the couch. And yeah, I'll be done. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, y'all. So everything that I decorated with, everything came from Dollar Tree. So you can decorate on a budget. Everything was a $1.25, especially all the new stuff. So all the old stuff that I got from Dollar Tree years ago, those items were $1. But the new stuff, $1.25. So you can definitely decorate your home really pretty, really nice, but only $1.25. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little decor for Valentine's Day, and I think it came out so cute, y'all. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and leave some comments down below. Let me know how y'all like the way we decorated for Valentine's Day. So see y'all later.